The construction trucks are building a big bridge together.
Excavator.
Excavator digs a trench by the river.
Good job. I like it. What happened? Oh no!
It slips and
my
falls
God.
into the river. It tries to climb out but can't.
Thank you.
Mixer truck.
What happened? Help me!
Mixer truck arrives and tries to pull it with a hook.
I got it. Look at this. Don't do that.
Oh no!
Oh my
The bucket and the hook both break. Mixer truck
Okay.
quickly calls the construction rescue
you.
team.
Are you
Crane
ready?
truck.
Okay. Let's go. What happened?
Huh?
Crane truck lifts excavator and places it
What's
onto
next?
a trailer.
It's so nice. Good job. Yeah. Let's go.
Time to go to the repair shop.
Okay. What's next? What's next?
They clean off all the mud.
Wow! Transformation! Look at this! Hey, you!
They install a brand new bucket.
Thank you very much!
Excavator looks just like new.
Bye-bye.
It returns to the river and continues digging the trench.
I like it! Cool! I got it!
Mixer
Are you
truck
ready?
pours cement inside.
Wow! It's so nice! Come here!
Dump truck brings materials.
Let's go!
They install the bridge pillars, then the bridge deck.
Very nice! Transformation!
And finally the guardrails.
It's amazing!
The strong new bridge is finished.
Good job! Thank you very much! Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.